What's up, YouTube? Jacob and Kyle here today with the brand new Polaris Atlas pool cleaner. We're going to show you how to clean this thing out if you get stuck or any kind of debris inside there. So stay tuned. We'll dive right in.
Alright guys, we're back. So again, we've got Polaris's Atlas suction side pool cleaner, brand new. Just in case you guys haven't seen what comes in the box, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got a playlist for you guys on showing you guys what comes with this cleaner initially. But for today's video, we're going to open this bad boy up and show you guys a really cool quick tip on how to clean out any of the large debris that may get in there and get stuck for you. So
First things first, press this button. Handy dandy little button right in front of the cleaner. You're going to hold it down and this thing will magically lift right up. And now you can see all the guts of the pool cleaner. So, what's this thing called again?
Halo Technology.
That's what he said. Halo Technology. So all you're gonna do, they've made this cleaner so much better than the MX8. So as you guys know, the MX8's been around for a while. This is the bigger, better replacement of it. So all you're gonna do is if this thing gets stuck with anything, like you're gonna see some palm fronds sticking up here or a rock in there, grab one of these little tabs that kind of pops up on the Halo Technology. So you're gonna grab it, lift. That's it. So now you have full access inside this pool cleaner to clean it all out. And Kyle's gonna show you how to put it back because I still can't figure it out.
So obviously for us, we're looking at it from the opposite direction. You guys are gonna have it in front of you, but the guard piece is actually part of the entire engine assembly now. So that's what you're gonna focus on, is which side that goes on. Close to the side A gearbox. So they actually labeled it in here, which is really nice for you guys. Instead of having to, kind of peek down and look at which gearbox is what on A or B, they actually stuck it right here in your face. So then that way you guys are aware this is side A, this is side B. So focus on side A with the guard for the new engine assembly. And as long as the bearings are pushed in all the way like this, it should just be able to go right in, slide down, and you're good to go. So really, really simple. Nothing locks in. It doesn't click. It doesn't make any noise. Just sits in there perfectly. Obviously, you don't have the things lined up correctly on the axle of the engine assembly. It's not going to slide in right. But once you guys do that, the gears will line up on the side A and side B gears, and then you're pretty much ready to go. So from there, you're just going to close the lid, pop it back in, and get her cleaning in the pool. So really, really simple. We just want to show you guys how the new technology they came out with and how easy it is to clean.
It's really easy.
So,
Yeah.
definitely, again, make sure you guys check out all those links in the description. We've got more videos on this cleaner as well as more to come. But yeah, really appreciate you guys watching. Kyle from ePoolSupply.
And I'm Jacob.
We'll see you next time.